So hi guys, I'm Siddhant Keshwani, founder and CEO at Libas. So we are today launching our first store in Hyderabad, and along with the store launch, we're also launching a new initiative which is the Libas Circle. It's a community for music lovers who love shopping for fashion as well as music, and this is going to be our first event here with Akasa, who's joined us and looking lovely in a Libas outfit. Really looking forward to this event. And if you would like to say something. So, so we have multiple collections here. We are a fast fashion brand. We have casuals, court sets, going from a loungewear to up to a lehenga, saris, unstitched dress pieces. So it's a really wide variety for younger crowd, starting at 18, 20, going up to 35, 40, and we're really looking forward to this store here.
Is there any reason to choose this area or
So Hyderabad, we are a digital first brand, and Hyderabad has always been one of the strongest geographies for us. So it was an obvious choice to open a store here, and we started with one of our largest stores in the country here. And yes, that's one of.
how many branches are you
So we have somewhere around 27 to 28 stores currently, and we're opening about 5 to 6 stores every month. And you'll see a lot of these events during store launches in months to come.
in this 2025? How many branches you can open?
Sorry.
In this 25 year, how many branches can we expect here in Hyderabad?
So we are planning to open about 5 stores in Hyderabad this year. Hopefully, in the next quarter, you will see at least 2 to 3 launching, and yeah, that's that trajectory. Thank you, thank you.
Should I hold it? Yes, but I'm looking at you only, na? Okay, nice. Yes. Yes, I am very excited because, as he said, this new initiative, Libas Circle, which I think is perfect because, as someone who's as passionate about fashion as she is about music, what a cool new initiative, and I've never heard of it, at least in India. So I'm very excited to be the first performer here, and hopefully, once I'm shopping somewhere, there'll be a new surprise performance because they've planned a lot of such stuff. And yeah, Hyderabad is always fun. And recently, since I've had more and more visits here because I have a few songs in this region, I'm very excited. You can see I'm actually wearing what is my favorite piece. They were kind enough to let me choose this because I think the color, the silhouette, even as a performer, because I saw the collection, there was stuff that I could wear. Generally, I go to the Gurdwara a lot. There was stuff I could wear to a wedding, but the best thing is there's stuff that I could wear on stage, which needs to be a perfect blend of like fashion, but looking really cool and not looking like I'm a wedding guest. So I think that is one of the best parts about it.
What is the clothing you have here in this particular brand?
I think, like I said, it's now that I just visited the store and I saw it from the inside. There's even more stuff than there was online because I saw it online first. So everything from a casual, like let's say what you go to your job, stuff like this, quad sets and kurtas, to me going to my job. So there's like lehengas, there's wedding collection, there's wedding guest collection, everything. It's not just like a it's not just a cliche Indian wear store. The last part, it's not just like a cliche Indian wear store. There's everything, everything you can imagine in Indian wear, casual, Indo-Western. Yeah. Yeah, starting with today, this is actually very exciting for me because these small, intimate sort of performances, बहुत मजा, like it's a lot of fun for me. And I'm actually excited because I've prepared a couple of Telugu songs, and let's see how it goes because I'm a Punjabi, full-fledged Punjabi songs. So two things, I'm gonna make everyone dance to Punjabi, and then I'm gonna sing a few Telugu songs which you all can teach me. So yeah. I'll sing my latest song, which was Dabudi from the movie Devara, which I got to sing. Kili kili ye, kili kili ye, kili kili oh, kili kili ye, kili oh, Dabudi vadi re, Dabudi vadi re, vadi. It's gonna be a lot more Telugu than this, but yeah.
Any songs that you could perform?
Today, yeah, I'm gonna be wow, it's already a. Usually there'll be lyrics in front of me, but there's one song which I absolutely love apart from Dawoodi, which I've sung. There's a song called Suttamale. Should I sing it? But can I open my lyrics? Wait. Suttamale, yeah, I'm gonna open my lyrics. Pata chale I sing wrong and everyone's like, no. Because I practiced, okay? చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది తుంతరి చూపు ఉడికే ఉందడు కాసేపు హస్తమానం నీలోకమే నామై మరుపు చేతనితే నువ్వే నన్నావు రా. The rest of it you can watch when I'm performing. Thank you.